Welcome in Dialogues class. اللقاء ملاقات meeting. العربية Urdu English. So first sentence is صباح الخير. In Urdu صباح بخير. In English good morning. Second, first question is كيف حالك for male and K for female. क्या हाल है? In English, how are you? Answer is أنا بخير. In Urdu मैं खैरियत से हूँ. शुक्रिया, शुक्रन. In English, I am fine, thanks. Second question is كيف صحتك for male, صحتك for female. In Urdu, आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? In English, how is your health? صحتي جيدة. Answer. In Urdu, मेरी तबीयत ठीक है. In English, my health is good.